Right. Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to me in the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very, very good morning, guys. A very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. And yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday onwards, we started discussing about inner classes concept. So there are, basically four types of inner classes are there. Nested inner class, static inner class, method, local inner class, and anonymous inner class. We discussed about nested inner class and static inner class in our yesterday session. See, don't make this like too much complicated. Inner classes means just consider them as a class and a method. We can write any number of classes inside a class. Just keep that point in mind. The main use of inner classes is to increase the code readability. That's it, not more than that. Okay. So, yeah, yesterday we discussed about two nested and static inner class. Today, let's try to deal with the method local inner class first. Okay. Void method one. Now, here I'm just going to take a local variable string s equal to Java, just a local variable. Okay. Now I want to write a class inside a method. Literally, the name itself is self-explanatory. Method local inner class. Okay. Class inner class A. Inside this, for example, if I want to write void message one and void message two, yeah, we can add any number of methods. And inside this method, we will be able to use the local variable which is present in the main method. That is method one. Okay. Now here simply system.out.println s dot concat, for example, is awesome. And here system.out.println s dot concat is a amazing, amazing, just like this. Now I want to call these methods. Yeah, why not? But if you want to call these methods, come out from the inner class. I repeat, come out from the method local inner class, stay inside the method. Don't come out from the method, stay inside the method. Okay, stay inside. Okay, first let me try to come out from this inner class, stay in this method one, create an object, new inner class A equal to AIOBJ belongs to inner class. And now simply feel free IOBJ dot IOBJ dot message one, IOBJ dot message two, just like this. Let me go to my main method. Let me go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, I'm going to create an object for my normal class, that is outer class A dot method one. That's it. Now, guys, these are all the statements which are present inside method one. You know that all these statements will be executed only whenever we are calling method one. So you need to call method one. Yeah, fine. If I call this, we'll be getting an output like this. That's it, not more than that. Tell me one thing, how many local variables you can take inside a method? Any number of. Exactly like that, we can write any number of method local inner classes. Any number, no issues. For example, let me just try to write, okay, class inner class B, inner class B, open braces and close braces. Now inside this, I'm just trying to write void GREET, void greet system dot out dot println. Simply, I'm going to write good morning, good morning, just like this. Now I want to call this method, guys. Okay, come out from the inner class, stay inside the method. And yeah, just try to create an object for your inner class and directly you can call your method. That's it. Now, if I execute my program, I'll be able to get my output like this. Just like local variables, you can write any number of local inner classes. As simple as this. Okay. Kindly please keep your citing as method local inner class and have this in your notes. Go ahead. Done. So four types of inner classes: nested, static, method local, and finally last one is anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class will be acting like a child class for your class object. Means, okay, shall I remove this? Okay, let me try to remove, okay, up to here. Right. Now I'm removing this. Now, okay, I'm going to write system.out.println. System.println. Simply, I'm just going to write method one called. Okay. Method one. Method one called. Okay. 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 Right. I want to override this method one. I just want to override method one. You know that if we want to perform method overriding, pretty much damn sure we need to inherit. Means in another class, we need to perform method overriding. Without inheriting, by using anonymous inner class, we can actually override. Okay. How simple, this is our class object. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me just try to write like this. Equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Now simply AOBJ dot method one. Of course, we will be getting our output, that is method one call. But here I am not going to end my statement with a semicolon. Instead of that, let me just try to write open braces and close braces. Now, this is anonymous inner class. Yeah, there is an anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class does not have any name. Literally, the name itself is self-explanatory. Na? Now, inside this anonymous inner class, we will be able to we will be able to override the method which is present in your class A. System.out.println overriding method 1. Now inside this method, I'm going to take a string, new string, and here just let me try to make it as Java equal to S1 belongs to type string. Let me just try to take one more string here. Okay, string S2 equal to S1 dot S1 dot intern method. Intern, yeah, intern method is available in string class. I told you that methods, right? What this intern method will do, whenever you are creating an object like this in line number 17 by using new keyword, tell me how many objects will be getting created? Two objects will be getting created. One object will be present inside SCP. Another object will be present inside heap area. S1 will point towards the object which is present inside the heap area. We are using new keyword. Yes or no? S1 will point towards the object which is present inside the heap area. And you know that there is one more object available inside the SCP. Whenever we are using intern method, what happens, this intern method will refer that object. Which object? SCP object to S2. Means, for example, here string S3 equal to Java. Okay. Now system.out.println S1 double equal to S2. System.out.println S2 double equal to S3. You know what double equal to operator will do. It is going to compare what it is going to compare? Address locations. Yes. Where is S1 pointing? Heap area. Where is S2 pointing? The object which is present inside the SCP. So S1 and S2, same locations or different locations? Obviously, here, what is our output? False. S2 and S3, where these are located? SCP. Same address locations or different address locations? Same. In SCP, there is no chance of duplicate objects. So here, what should be our output? Here, our output should be true, and here, our output should be false. Anyways, now here, I am going to call my method one. I am actually calling the method which is present in my class A. But as we are overriding that method, instead of method one called, we will be getting our output, that is overriding method. Oh, let me just try to save it one more time. Overriding method one. And am I getting my output? Is that clear, guys? Online students, please respond to the chat for me. Please respond. Please respond. Is that clear? All right. That is actually very good. That is actually very good. Now, for example, I already told this when we discussed about in our advanced Java classes how anonymous inner class will be used to return an object of an interface. Everyone present here in my advanced Java class? Respond. Online students, if anyone is not there, do let me know. I'll try to give that example one more time. If you want that example one more time, please do let me know. Message me in the chat, sir, one more time. Message me in the chat, not like yes or no. Uh, please message me one more time so that I'll be able to understand. Come on, respond, respond. Okay, sure. Sure, sure, sure. Let's try to deal with one more time. Okay. This is one example for our inner class, anonymous inner class. Now, let me try to take an interface. Okay. This is an interface. Right. Now, inside this interface, I'm just trying to give a method that is message method. Okay. Now, you know what? I'm going to take completely another class. Let me take class B. This is class B. Now, what I want to do, okay, void, just let me try to go with method 2, system.out.println. Here, I'm just going to write method 2 called. Okay. The return type for this method 2, if I'm writing class A, you know what we need to return. What we need to return? Class A object. In the place of class A, if I'm writing interface A, what we need to return? Interface object. But you know that we will not be able to create an object for interface. Then what we need to do? We will be able to create an object for interface. Wait, what? Not exactly an object for interface. We'll be able to create an object for anonymous inner class. For example, please observe here. RETURN return new INTRFAC interface A. If we are writing like this, immediately we know that we'll be getting an error. Why? Because we will not be able to create an object for interface. That is the reason we are getting an error. Now, what I'll be doing, let me just try to write a anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. Now, in this anonymous inner class, I am going to override the abstract method which is present in my interface. So just let me try to write at the rate override. Just let me try to save it. Now here, simply let me just try to write system.out.println. I'm going to write Java is awesome. Just like this. Okay. Wait, why we are getting an error? Okay, overriding. Overriding. This is which method? public abstract method. So yeah, I am trying to override. Done, completed. Now let me get back to my main method. Inside my main method, if I am trying to write interface interface A IOBJ, and here I'm just going to write IOBJ dot message method, you know that we'll be getting an error. Why we are getting an error? That's a reference. That reference is not having any object. Okay. Then I'll do one thing. You know what? Equal to new interface A. No, absolutely not. We'll be getting an error. Why? Because that is an interface. Okay, then what I need to do? We'll do one thing. Let me try to create an object for my class A. I'm going to create an object for my class A. And with the help of that object, I'm trying to call my method 2. Oh, class B, right? Class B. And I'm going to call my method 2. I am calling method 2. Method 2 is returning an object for this interface. When I say object for the interface, don't think like literally interface object. That is the object for my anonymous inner class. We are using new keyword na. So this new keyword represents the object for anonymous inner class, not for the interface. So then we can directly give that class name now. No, we cannot give that class name. Why? Because it is an anonymous inner class. There is no name now. I hope you're getting the point here. Now, yeah, feel free. Now I'm see here there is no error. Now basically here I'm trying to call my message method here. So whenever we are calling message method, obviously this overridden method will be getting executed. So right now, right click on as Java application, method 2 called and Java is awesome. This is one more use of anonymous inner class. The same example I explained in our advanced Java classes, right? Come on, kindly please keep assigning as anonymous inner class and write these two examples for me. Go ahead. First, write class A example. Aarti, Ranjan, Joshua, Sunil, Bharati, Sudha, Darshan, Junaid, Saleha, Navya, Karnakar. I guess it's clear for you guys. If possible, kindly please try to respond to the chat for me. Okay, that is great. That is actually great. Come on, please have this. This is first example. This is for class A. If class A completed, kindly please go with class B. Class B is the second example, by the way. Yes, class A is complete for everyone. Is it done? Class B and interface here, please. Is it done? Okay. I hope it's complete for everyone. Now, let me remove this. All right. So that is about our inner classes concept. Now let's try to deal with the next concept, that is enum. Guys, one more time I am saying inner classes are mainly used for increasing the code readability. Generally in real time, very rarely we will be using inner classes and enum also. Both. That is the only reason I kept these last. Okay. Now coming to enum. What is an enum? It is basically one of the basic Java programming elements. By the way, did you remember what is the first question I asked you? What is the first question? I'm speaking about entire core Java. The very first day you came to this core Java classes, I asked you one question and literally asked that question multiple times. And that is, how many basic Java programming elements are there? How many are there? And those are class, interface, enum. Absolutely. Of course, we know what the syntax for a class, we know the syntax for interface, and we know the syntax for enum. And yeah, as I said, interface, when we need to use interface, if we want to achieve abstraction, and you know that interface, we need to use interface. You need to use interface if we want to achieve abstraction in our projects. Then and then only we need to use interface. And when you're speaking about enum, okay, point number one, very rarely it will be used. Enum. Point number two, listen. Point number two, we need to use enum if there are universal constants in our project. Universal constants means no one should be saying no. For example, red, RED, red. What is that? Everyone knows that. It's a color. Sunday. What is that? Day. April. Month. Earth. Planet. Sun. Don't say planet. It's a star. Come on. Are you getting the point here? Like that, in our project, if we are having universal constants, then and then only we need to choose enum. But honestly speaking, in my 13 years of experience, I never used enum even for one time also in any of my projects. Why? Because if I want to take a constant, I'll take string and I'll make it as final, statica. Static variables are not constants. You remember that? Yes? Static variables are not constants. You don't forget the concepts there. Let me just, where is it? Okay, I guess, where is the point? Can you see that? Read the sixth point. Static variables are not constant. We can change the value of a static variable. Which variables are constants? Final variables are constants. One more time I am saying, if I want a constant, then what I'll be doing? Generally, I'll be making that variable as a string and I'll make it as final. Sir, why string? Why? Because in string class, I'm having a lot of methods are there. Lot of methods are there. We can manipulate the data according to requirements. But then why we need to choose enum? If we are taking an enum, people, if you are taking an enum, people looking at that enum immediately they will be able to understand that the data which is present in that enum are constants. Are you getting the point here? For example, how to create an enum? Very simple. Generally, how you will be creating a class? Right click on the package, go to new, select enum, and just give your enum name, give a click on finish, and automatically your enum will be created like this. For example, I have given the enum name as days. Yeah, enum got created. Inside this, we are writing like this. Now, if you observe, what are these data types? Am I having any data type? String, int, byte? No. So then what are these? Constants. These are constants. The data which is present inside enum is by default public, static, final. By default. By default. Am I clear with that? Please respond. By default, public, static, final. So if a programmer is looking at the enum, immediately they will be able to understand, okay, the data is constant. That's it, not more than that. Now, obviously, as this is an enum, we cannot create an object. We cannot create an object. We cannot inherit enum. No, inheritance is not possible there. Okay. Can we inherit a class into a class? Class into an interface? I class into an interface. Interface into a class? Which keyword we need to use? Implements. Interface into an interface? Extends. Class into a class? Extends. Yeah, that is okay. That is okay. But we cannot use inheritance for an enum. Am I clear with that? Okay. Now, just let me try to take my class A. Okay. Now, in class A, just void method one, simple method one, system dot out dot println. Here, I'm going to write implement implementing enum. Now, what is my enum name? days, days, static. What I told, the data which is present inside enum is by default public, static and final. Static means, we can access with the help of class name, interface name, and enum name also. So days dot Thursday, Thursday equal to D belongs to days. Now, if I'm trying to print system.out.println D. I'm just trying to print D. Let me go with my main method now. Inside my main method, I'm going to create an object for my class A. Directly, I'm trying to call my method one. And yeah, our output will be Thursday. As simple as this. Output will be Thursday. Now, tell me one thing. Did you remember switch case? In switch case, how many data types we can use in switch? I come on. Up to Java 1.44 int byte short char. From Java 1.5 version onwards, we started accepting their respective wrapper classes. From Java 1.7 version onwards, we started accepting strings also. Come on, guys. Don't forget the concepts. Now, one more time. Up to Java 1.4 version, Switch started accepting 4 int, byte, short, char. From Java 1.5 version onwards, Switch started accepting their respective wrapper classes and enum. We can use enum also. Means here I'm giving the key as D. D. What is the value of D? Now here CASE case. Let me just try to write THURSURSDAY Thursday system.out.println TODAY today is last class for core Java. Okay. Now here I'm just going to write BREAK break. One more case Friday FRIDAY Friday. Now here system.out.println today TODA today there is no class BREAK break. Wait, why we are getting an error? Why we are getting an error? Guys, in switch case, I told you key and case labels should be compatible. I told you, yes or no? Right now, here you are taking strings. These are not strings. What are these? Constants. So, pretty much damn sure you need to give exactly the same names. Oh, just let me try to remove this. I'm going to remove that double quotes, and here also I'm going to remove the double quotes. Am I clear with that? Now tell me one thing, sun or else earth, EARTH, earth. Earth is a constant or not? Universal constant, EARTH, earth. Then why we are getting an error? Sir, this is okay, universal constant, but we did not declare that as a constant in enum. enum by default, our compiler is unable to recognize whether is it a constant or not. Whose responsibility is that? Programmer's responsibility. If you think that that is a constant, you need to declare that inside the enum. Then only compiler will think that okay, it is a constant. You need to respond, guys. For example, here I'm just going to write my name, and here also I'm going to write my name. Let me just try to save it. Am I getting any error? Sir, but your name is not constant. Yeah, it's not a constant, but I declared it inside the enum. I hope you're understanding the point here, right? So, online students, please respond to me in the chat for me. Is that clear? Compiler is unable to recognize which one is constant or not. It is the responsibility of the programmer. Whatever the data which you mentioned in the enum, by default, compiler will think that okay, that is an enum. That's it. Got it? Okay, okay, okay. Now here, let me just try to get back here like this. Okay. Now, obviously, just let me try to go with the FAULT default case, and yeah, system.out.println. I'm just going to write INVALID invalid data, just like that. And yeah, default case is in the last, so no need to write a break statement also. This is the one use of enum. As a matter of fact, if you want to get all the constants which are present in your enum, all the constants which are present in our enum, we will be able to retrieve them by using array. Array, yeah, yeah. Please observe days dot values method. There is this method known as values. The return type for this values method is array, and it is of type days, not int, not byte, not string. You need to give days. I hope you are getting the point here. Respond, sir. Can I go with? Can I write simply like enum? Of course, is an enum, na? Come on. But my advice directly try to go with days. And now here, okay, let's try to use for each. For each, yep, for each. Tell me, right side of the column, what I need to write? Yeah, left side of the column, I'm going to get data. Tell me. Absolutely correct. Days. And simply system.out.println, I'm just trying to go with the data. Now, if I'm executing my program, today is last class for core Java, and am I able to retrieve all my constants? That's it. Not more than that. Sir, but we can make this by using strings also. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Are you getting the point here? Come on. See, the only reason why we will use enum, if a programmer is looking at enum, immediately he'll be able to understand, okay, that is constant. The data which is present inside the enum is constant. As a matter of fact, the same things we can make it by using strings also. Your wish. Come on. Kindly please have this. Keep your citing as understanding enum and not on a simple program for me. Please. Don't worry about the notes. Notes I'll update in the Google Classroom. Vikram, when will be the last class for Core Java? Why you did not came yesterday, Vikram? If you came yesterday, you will be able to know when is the last class. Online students, feel free to respond in the chat for the question. Vikram is asking question. Feel free to respond in the chat, guys. Online students. Yeah. I guess you understand, Vikram. Yes, Alaya. I'll be waiting. Sure. Yeah. It will be available in the Google Classroom. If it is not, if it is not, try to message me on Instagram. I'll be helping with you. What is the use? Take a screenshots. Take screenshot. You're having, I already uploaded the notes right now. Take one screenshot of the PPT. What you will do? If I upload the entire thing, you will just try to scroll like this. Yes. If the images are there, you will just swipe like this. That's it. What's the difference? It will be there. I'll upload. No need to worry. I'll upload anyways. So, Subham, you're asking when new advanced Java class starts. Maybe another 15 days, I'm guessing, 15, 20 days. If it is started, I'll let you know. Like, I'll be updating in my Instagram. Currently, one advanced Java batch is going on by 11 o'clock. After completing that 11 o'clock batch, another batch will start. And that batch will be completed within another 20, 25 days, I guess. Venkatesh, I guess those will be available, but kindly please try to send a mail to support at Naresh IT for getting more confirmation. I guess it will be available, maybe up to 6 months, I guess. Okay, Venkatesh? Yeah. Is it done, guys? All right. So just a second. I uploaded up to here these notes. Last 2 days onwards, I did not uploaded any notes last 2 days onwards. So right now, after this, after this, optional class, regarding static methods, Enum, just now I uploaded Enum inner classes. I uploaded the entire data. And finally, last one is, yeah, by this, we have done with our core Java. I think I promised you nearly 80 to 85 working days. I think I completed 80 to 85 working days, maybe 5 days more, 5 to below 1 week. Yes, yes, working days, by the way, working days, right? So, guys, in the starting days of our core Java, I told you, just a second, let me try to, I just, okay, switch on the light if possible, switch on all the lights. Okay, is it there? Okay, enough, leave it. Okay, now, in the starting days of our core Java only, I told you, every day we will learn a new concept. Did we learn a new concept? Yes or no? That's what. And guys, generally after completion of the batches, I'll say some things which you are supposed to have an idea. Three things you need to do. Three things. Of course, everyone is again present in my advanced Java batch. Most of you people. Again, I'll repeat the same things after completing advanced Java batch for other students. But for you, one more time, I'm saying this. Of course, everyone will be getting placed. That is for sure. That is for sure. Absolutely will be getting placed. Maybe 1 month or 2 months before. Some people will be getting placed a little bit early. Some people will be getting placed a little bit late. But everyone will be getting placed. Three things you need to do, guys. Once you got placed, three things. First one, take a good health insurance. Believe me, it will help you a lot. Take a good health insurance. Okay. The health insurance which is provided by the company will not help you. It will not help you in emergencies. There are a lot of restrictions will be there in that insurance. So no, I strongly advise take a good health insurance. Sir, which one I need to take? I don't know. Once you got place, try to search. See YouTube, meet a person, insurance person will be there, but take a good health insurance. At least minimum 10 to 15 lakhs cover should be there. Health insurance. Why I'm saying this? Because everyone of us are like from middle class only. Yes. If there is any problem occurred in the health, entire life savings will be gone. For example, imagine like a bowl of water, glass bowl of water. Inside that glass bowl, there is a water. Consider that water as your savings. Savings. If there is a crack happen, all your savings will be gone. Believe me, health insurance absolutely mandatory. Absolutely. That is the first thing. Second thing is start saving your amount. Please start saving. Save your amount. For example, if you are getting 15,000 per month, or else 20,000 per month, or else 25,000 per month, in your salary, at least 10% save. Save. You can use PPF will be there. PPF, Public Provident Fund, central government job, central government scheme will be there. PPF in YouTube search. Let me make it simple example. In PPF, it's a scheme, government scheme. In year per year, you need to keep 1,50,000 per year. You cannot keep more than 1,50,000. That is a limit. 1,50,000. Below also you can keep, but maximum 1,50,000. You need to keep like that for 15 years. 15. Totally, how much amount you will keep? Tell me. Count and tell me. nearly 22.5 lakhs, 50 lakhs, no, 22.5 lakhs, 50,000, I guess. 22, 20, let's go with 22 lakhs. Okay. For 15 years, you will keep in that 22 lakhs. Right now, what is your age? 21, 22, maybe. After 15 years, you will be almost at my age. At that time, in your bank account, you will be having 40 lakhs. How much amount you kept? 22 lakhs. How much amount you will be getting? 40 lakhs you will be getting. Compounding. Are you understanding me? This is the age where I'm speaking about your, not my age. Your age is the age where you will never think about saving the money. Your age, you will think about getting a job, getting, honestly speak, nice mobiles, or else a bike, something like that. Normal thing. But trust me when I'm saying this, if you started saving in your age, when you came to my age, like 36, 37, like that, in your bank account, you will be having 40 lakhs. Do me a small favor. If possible, try to watch a YouTube, in any YouTube videos, like PPF. What is PPF? I mean, this is only one saving scheme. There are a lot of other things are there. You can keep in mutual funds also. But remember, when you're going with mutual funds, means SIP, systematic investment plans. SIP, again, 10 to 15 years, long term, you need to keep it, not 1 or 2 years. Are you getting the point? Come on. Actually, this should be, I strongly feel that saving the amount should be present in academics. It's not there. Like knowing about, I'm not speaking about sharing share market. Don't go with share market. Stocks is different. SIP is different. Trading is different. Don't go with trading. How to sell you how to tell you? Trading means, for example, today I'll keep 1 lakhs and I'll purchase one share. If I think that that share is increasing tomorrow, I'll sell that share. For 1 lakh, I'll get 10,000. 1 lakh, 10,000. 10,000 is my profit. Otherwise, I lose complete 1 lakh. Don't go with trading. Are you getting the point here? I'm speaking about SIPs, mutual funds, systematic investment plans, index funds will be there, equity will be there. Long term, you need to keep in mind at least 10 to 15 years minimum. Then your amount will be doubled. So, two things. First one is take a good health insurance. You will be having peace of mind. Believe me, health is wealth. Second thing is start saving the amount. Start saving. What you will understand. Third one is never stop updating your skills. We are present in IT market. If you are present in IT market, you should never stop updating your skills. Remember, AI is coming. AI. Don't think like AI will replace humans. No. Humans using AI will replace your jobs. Are you getting the point here? So never stop updating your skills. I just want you to see, as we are in this particular IT market, continuously we need to update our skills. Recently, last 1 month or 2 months back, TCS manager level positions are gone. Manager level positions. Why? Because they did not updated their skills. Am I clear with that? So these are the three things which you should be doing. First one, health insurance. If you did not save also, I don't mind, but take a good health insurance. Health is wealth. You will thank me later. I am saying this from my personal experience. Take a good health insurance. Second one, start saving. Do one thing today, at least spend 1 hour or 2 hours for looking at YouTube tutorials how to save the amount. First, start with PPF, post office scheme. It is present in post office scheme. Just start with PPF, automatically you'll understand. Have that idea, have that mindset. You need to save. You need to save so that retirement will be better. Retirement, you need to plan for the retirement. Are you getting the point here? And third one is Never stop updating your skills. If you are having these three things, you will be very, very, very happy. Believe me. Got it? Am I clear with that? Online students, I guess you're understanding me. Office health insurance, I personally, I don't prefer Shilpa. You know what happened previously when I'm working for one of the MNC, I'm working for one of the MNC and I got uh, liver will be there, liver, and below the liver there is a concept known as pancreas. Yeah, for that there will be a small gallbladder will be there. Gallbladder. You guys are having that gallbladder. I don't have that. My gallbladder gone. Yeah. In my gallbladder, stones came, and I had a surgery. I think its name is closectomy, something. Surgery happened and gallbladder removed. I'll be having a long cut from here to here in my stomach. I'll be having a long cut. When that surgery happened, it costed me like nearly 3 lakhs. It's a little bit got complicated. It costed me 3 lakhs. Office provided only 1 lakh. Office insurance provided only 1 lakh. Are you getting the point? Remaining 2 lakhs, I kept it from my pocket. Up to that time, I don't know that there are those many restrictions are present in office provided insurance policy. And then I started taking the health insurance, separate health insurance. Are you getting the point? If you start taking health insurance in the starting early age, the premium will be less. And you need to continue with the same premium till you got 50, 60 years. Believe me, it will help you a lot and definitely will thank me later. Okay. So please keep these three things in mind. All right. Take a good health insurance. Health is wealth. Plan for your retirement. If you are having amount in your bank account which defeats the inflation, you know what is inflation, right? Yes. 10 years back, what is the cost of coconut? 20, 30 rupees. Right now, what is the cost of coconut? 50 or 50, 60. Like if you are at maybe 80 also. Inflation, inflation. So you need to keep in account amount, I mean savings, such that it defeats the inflation. Think about it. Okay. So these are all the things no one will say, but you are my students. Remember this. All right. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. And Sunil suggest best health tips where I don't know. I'm not promoting anything. Please don't think like I'm promoting. I'm just giving you advice. That's it. I don't know. Watch YouTube. Go to hospital. Uh, Meet insurance things. Insurance persons will be there, and then take it. Okay. All right, Sunil. So I yesterday I requested you to give your opinion about our classes. A lot of people gave your messages. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you. I got your responses. I got your reviews in the Google. That is very good. That's absolutely very good. Online students, that's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our sessions. And if anyone still did not give the reviews, kindly please try to give your opinion about your classes. I love to watch your reviews. So that's it. If possible, guys, online students, how did you feel about our classes? I guess you enjoyed. Abhijit, yeah, yeah, that is good. Abdul, that is good. That is good. Yeah, it's a mutual feeling, guys. It's a mutual feeling. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And yeah, that's it for entire end of the session. Code Java. See you guys. See you very soon. Shall I end the meeting? You are having a cake. All right. We'll do one thing. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Let me keep it like this so that online people also will be able to view. Okay. Just a second. We'll do one thing. Wait. Wait. Everyone arrange this. Okay, so thank you for this. You know what? Generally, daily, every day before coming to my, office, definitely I'll be praying to my God. Every day I'll think about every one of my students should be getting placed, and you will be also getting placed. The only thing is practice. Please, please don't forget why you came to Hyderabad. Like practice. That is important. Online students, the same applies for you also. Yes, I guess you can see. Yeah, great. So we'll do one thing. Let's try to cut everyone. Hold my hand. Okay, boys, you come here. Let's go. Come on, hold. Java is awesome. Of course, it is awesome. Thank you. And I'll do one thing. Just let me try to take the cream. I'm not going to keep it in one. I'll eat it. Thank you. Why? Because I cannot keep for everyone. Thanks. Please share. Everyone. Oh, thank you. Thank you. We'll do one thing. Oh, one more. Please. Wait. Let me take a pic. Everyone, are you come front. You come front first. Can you see? Is everyone coming? Can I smile? Better. Sure. Yeah, sure. Hey, wait. Where you going? Come front. Let's try to take a small video. And you know what to say. Yeah, of course. Let's start here. Okay. It's already started. Yeah, that is great. That is it. So thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. All right, guys. Guys, please have the cake. Have the cake. Amma, Tali? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Amma. Thank you. This will be going in my bedroom. And my bedroom table is there. It will be going there. Thank you. Definitely, I'll preserve it. All right, guys, kindly please try to have this cake. Everyone, please come and have this cake. Okay? You want to pick? Come front. Okay? Sure, guys. Sure. Hey, it's okay. Sure. Sure. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Happy Diwali also. Yeah. See you. Yeah, sure. Sure. Right. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. All the best. All the best. All the best. All right. Kindly please have the cake and then you can. All right. Dot. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our sessions, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I already turned on the camera. Look, I guess you can see the things. All right. All right, guys. So that's it. That's it for today. I am ending our session. I wish you a very all the best, guys. See you. And this is Kishan signing off for Core Java. Yep. Wish you very happy Diwali also. Thank you for that.